Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to clear junks and cache from your PC and laptop, right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. And first up, go ahead over to your search bar and type in run, okay? In here, just go ahead and type in first up temp, okay? T-E-M-P. Just go ahead and click on OK. Wait for this folder to open. Now just go ahead and press Control-A on your keyboard. Control plus A, and then all of these will be selected, okay? So all we have to do next is just right click on it and hit on delete and hit on. Do this for all current items and hit on continue. Wait for the process to finish. If you will be able to see this specific pop-up, you can just go ahead and click on again, do this for all current items and just hit on skip because not everything right here can be deleted, okay? Now, once that's done, open up your run dialog again right here, run, and then go ahead and add in percentage and the end and start of this word, okay? %temp%. Okay, hit on OK. And again, do the same. Control-A, right click and hit on delete. Do this for all current items. Continue. Wait for it. Do this, skip. Skip. Do this, skip. Just do the same thing, okay? And once that's done, close this one. Open up the run dialog once more. Click on it. Now let's go ahead and find a prefetch. Okay, prefetch. Once done, just hit on OK. There'll be a pop-up right here that needs administrative permission. Just click on continue. And again, do the same. Right click and hit on delete. Skip. All done. Then go ahead over to your search bar and type in disk cleanup. Okay, open it up. Now go ahead and find the drive where your Windows is installed. You'll have this icon that resembles the Windows logo. Just go ahead and click on it and hit on OK. Wait for it and there'll be a pop-up right here. You can now then go ahead and tick all of these, all right, if you want to. And then once done, make sure to include the recycle bin as all of the things that we have deleted from temp and prefetch will be landed in here. So make sure to select recycle bin. And then once that's done, just hit on OK. Delete files. Wait for the process to finish. And once done, you're good to go. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.